Let's learn how to edit messages that you've sent in WhatsApp on both iPhone or Android. So if you've sent a message to someone on WhatsApp, but you changed your mind and you want to write something else, or you want to modify the message a little bit, then watch this video until the very end if you want to learn how to do it. We can edit WhatsApp messages without removing or unsending the message and sending a new one. And the first thing that we will do is to open our App Store or our Google Play Store and just check if you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. This is a relatively new feature that they released. So update WhatsApp and we can start editing our messages. I'm going to open a WhatsApp conversation with myself, but this works in any conversation that you have with your friends or family members, or even group chats. I'm going to send, "How are you?" And let's say I change my mind and I want to edit this message and write something else. All I have to do is to long hold on the message that I want to edit, and a couple of different options will appear. If you don't see these options on your Android device, then you want to long hold on the message, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see the Edit button in the menu that will appear. So tap on the Edit button, and you can now edit your message and write something else. When you're happy with your edit, simply tap on Send, and that's it. I have this little message pop-up notification that says, "This message was edited for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp." So you can see that we have a little edited text in the message which is edited, and other people in the conversation will be able to see that you had edited this message. Keep in mind that you can edit only messages which are up to 15 minutes old, so if you've sent a message a couple of hours or days ago, you can't edit those messages and we can't modify them. We can only edit messages that are sent in the last 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.